Now, if I'm being honest with you, properties like this don't stay long in the market. You can take my word for it. Because already we have 4 units right here and 2 units is sold out already. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here in Sangotedo. And one thing I love about this property, if you can see for yourself, you see how high this property looks. Like if it rains, no matter how the rain fall, this property will not be flooded. So remove your mind from flood disturbing you. Now, another thing is this property comes with a Gazette as the title. It comes with a building approval and the governor's consent is in process. Now, in a short while, I'm going to flip this camera and show you everything you need to know about this lovely property. So, but before I go into that, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a moment to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this our lovely property. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the business of the day. Let's go tour this house together. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are touring this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Sangotedo. Now it's 4 units. This corner piece is sold and this one is sold. So we just have these 2 middle units available. So before going in, I needed to show you the area. As you can see for yourself, actually it rained heavily today and you can see everywhere is all dry, like very dry. Everywhere is all dried. Like one thing I love about this house is how high its house is. Like the foundation is high, so even if it rains heavily, there is no flooding. Even the area too, the estate too doesn't flood. Like it rained heavily this morning in Lagos, and you can see everywhere is all dried up. So, and the house is very quite high, the foundation is high. So yeah, so for the sake of this video, we are doing a video of this one because this one is sold out already. It's someone's property already, so we're touring this one. So let's go inside. So as you can see right here, we have a compound space. You can comfortably park 2 cars right here. You can park 2 cars right here. So the each of the properties sitting on, I think, roughly above 200 square meters. So as you can see, yeah, see how high it is. This is a 1-story building, oh, and see how high it's looking like a 2-story building. Okay, so let me go around the compound space before entering inside and showing you what we have right here. Now, this house is valued for 200 million naira. Yes, you had me right. 200 million naira house. 4 units, 2 is sold out already. So we just have just 2 units available. So it's an odd cake. So if I were you, I'll call the number by showing you on your screen and let's seal the deal. Okay, so let me go around the compound space. You can see it is between the fence. You can see the space between the fence and the building. Okay, so this house also comes with a boys quarter, also comes with a DQ. So this door takes you inside the building through the kitchen. So this is an exit from the kitchen or entry into the kitchen. So opposite the door, you have your tap right here. So it's facing the kitchen door. So you have electric fence for security purposes. Okay, so over here you have your scaffolding for your tanks. And this is the backyard. So you have your space right here. So yeah, you have your space. So you can decide what you want to do with this space, but the space is there for you. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, so by this side you have your boys quarter. So this is your boys quarter, and it comes to toilet and bathroom. So you can reserve this space for your domestic staff because it's a self-service building. Though the estate has security, you have security at the gate, but the building, the houses around here is a self-service estate. So you can decide to have your own personal security. Okay, so we're back right to the front of the compound. See, compound space. Okay, so let's go in. So stepping in, you have this staircase at the front porch. So you're greeted with this security door that comes with a biometric control. So this is a pivot security door. And over here you have your ante room. Okay, so by my right here, you have your guest room. So there's something I really want you to notice. You see how high the ceiling is. Like, it's not those houses where you are when you are staying inside, look as if like it's caving in. Like if you are claustrophobic, you won't be able to stay in that particular house. So this one has a very high ceiling and it's well illuminated. Okay, so this is your bathroom. So each bathroom comes with a water heater. So this property is well illuminated. Okay, so over here you have your living area. This is your living area. It comes with an inbuilt speaker. You know, well, that's general spacing, well ventilated, well illuminated. Like the house is not dark at all. So you see how bright it is, letting in natural light. Okay, so before going to the kitchen, let me quickly show you the guest toilet. So this is your guest toilet. So your guest toilet is by that side. So let's check out the kitchen. So this is your kitchen. So it comes with a kitchen island, double sink, and it's going to come with a microwave and an oven, but they've not put it here, but it's coming with the kitchen. So it's a fully fitted kitchen and comes lots and lots of cabinet spaces. So the kitchen also comes with a water heater. Okay, so they're still going to do some little finishing touches, there and there. And every room comes with an MG speaker. So anywhere you are, you can play your music and enjoy your music. Now, this door takes you right back outside the compound. Remember, I showed you while we're coming. It's locked, but this door takes you outside the compound space. Okay, so we've seen the guest room, the living area, and the kitchen. Let's head upstairs to see the remaining three rooms. Now, it's a four-bedroom, one room downstairs, and three rooms upstairs. So they're still going to fix the glass railing. So they're still doing some work. So we're not going to leave the staircase like this. We're going to fix the glass railing. So not to worry about that. Okay, so this is your family lounge. We're still going to fix the glass railing, so it's not going to look like this. So, but I just needed to just show you the building. Okay. So you have two rooms by this side. Let's check out these rooms before going into the master. So this is room one. See how spacious it is. It's quite spacious, well ventilated. So one thing I noticed about this house is it's going to be cool. Like you won't, it's not going to be hot. So it's well ventilated. Okay. So all rooms are en suite. So it also comes with a water heater. Okay, so let's check out the second room. Still on first floor. So you have your wardrobe. All rooms comes with a wardrobe. See how illuminated it is. See this beautiful POP. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Okay, so let's check out the master's bed. So this is your master's bedroom. This is your master's bed. So you have your closets by this side. You have your windows. You have your floor to ceiling window and also have access to the balcony. So let's check out the balcony. So from the balcony, you can see the front view of the compound. You can see the estate. So you can see it's facing the road. The property is facing the road. Okay, so let's check out the bathroom of this master's bed. So by this side, you have your closet, you have your wardrobe on each side of this space, this workspace. So you have a wardrobe right here, and you also have closet right here. So in the middle, you have a window. Okay, so this right here is the bathroom. It's the bathroom. Okay, so it comes with a bathtub and also a shower, cubicle shower area. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to the very end. Remember I said this house is valued for 200 million naira and it's just 2 units that is remaining. So call the number that I show you on screen and let's secure a unit for you right here. So thank you for watching this video to the very end. Till I come away next time. Thank you and God bless you.